hip-hop is here. Is this a rap from the future or a long, long time ago? All I know is that my rhyme and flow is undeniable. Never coming close because they far, far away. Who you looking up to most ain't a star, part of space. Over time I was frozen, my lines are the coldest. Flying Han Solo, it's the dark side taking over. 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 The force has awoken when my words have been spoken. Well, I'm sure that you know it. All the stormtroopers rolling in, destroy you and all your friends. I'm warning you, for go to sin before your whole world will end. You know it sounds like Jedi mind tricks, and you find smoke clouds on a red flight with your girl on the prowl in the dead of night, sitting in a Millennium Falcon. This millennial founded rappers in a line like clones by the thousands. You stood the test of time, I force choke you till you're bowing. Tell Mari
I am not the father.
Change my name from Skywalker to the thought bomb dropper. Sith kings and galactic emperors wish me to kiss rings, but I snap their fingers till it hurts. Celebrities are their droids, I'm the messenger who's encrypting broadcasts that you never heard. Checking these haters, deflecting the lasers. My princess be Leia, slaying with my lightsaber. She gasping for air like Vader with that viral blade. Oh shit, I hide no shame like Jango Fett is now unchained. But you know it's NLJ. Flying away with the light is my rating. You trying to race in my hyperspace, but your guns go, well my guns go. Just produce this new tune cause I'm gung-ho on YouTube. So you try to be a rapper? There is no trying though. No try. Knock your lights out, boy. It's the dark side taking over. 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 The force has awoken when my words have been spoken. Well, I'm sure that you know it. All the stormtroopers rolling in, destroy you and all your friends. I'm warning you, for go to sin before your whole world will end.
Death Star, yes, I'm ballin' on spaceships. You're looking for love in all the wrong places. When I drop in, flying shotgun in the Falcon. I don't drive often, I'm skywalking. Dabble like the gate when I'm knocking. Answer, try stopping a swing from a master. Your old school flow's no match for a good ghetto blaster. Ha, I make heads roll, make necks avow miscreants. The recipients of my lightsaber deliverance. My style's dizzying, blowing minds to oblivion. Get the crowd flipping out, getting loud with me in this clad city. When we make the sound pretty, no doubt. I stay fly like Calrissian. Princesses love a Jedi with a dreamy flow and all gold everything. 3PO, looking dope. Knights, cloak, all black like Vader. Slay, choke, setting off alarms with the Force. Whoa!
So you try to be a rapper? There is no trying though. Knock your lights out, boy. It's the dark side taking over. It's the dark side taking over. It's the dark side taking over. It's the dark side taking over.
There you go. One hobo fishing reel rod, whatever, fishing reel. So it's very pretty tight. And the reason why I left it so tight was because, well, at some point it might wear out. And it won't stay on no more. At that point, well, you can always put a cork in it. But the rest of it will last for a long, long time. Forever if you take care of it. And it is pretty. It's made out of oak. And it's got a compartment. One hell of a fit in top. Boy, that's one hell of a fit, boy. I'll put a lanyard on it too. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'm glad. If you're not already a subscriber to the channel, please consider subscribing for more of my content. I'm your buddy, I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter. I'm out.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to share this video to all your media sources. I'm your buddy, I'm your friend, I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out.
You don't know the power of the dark side. The power of the dark side.